we would like to start today's video with a quote by Stephen Krashen. More speaking or writing does not result in more language or literacy development, but more reading does.
Corona pandemic is slowly and gradually coming to an end. Lives of the people are getting back to normal, and now it's time to again interact with people, make new friends, travel and much more. Now you might be imagining all the random things in your mind that you might need to travel, interact with people and get social. But let us tell you the number one important thing needed in Germany, that's German language. Yes, you heard that right. You will feel left over in Germany if you don't start learning and speaking German as soon as possible. So in today's video, we are going to share with you some of the books which may help you to improve your German language skills. So let's get started with today's video.
What's up guys, I'm Palak Lakhani and I'm accompanied by Diksha Pandey. In this channel, I make educational videos focusing mainly on studying, working and living in Germany. So if you are new here, consider subscribing.
The best books to learn German may hold the key to your troubles since they are easy to carry around during your travels, provide wonderful quizzes and offer educational tools for brushing up on German. Oh yeah, and it's always easier to open a book at a restaurant or a train as opposed to a computer. Before we tell you why should you read a book and how to choose a perfect book for yourself, if you have clicked the video to just get the list of the German books, then you can skip the video to the timestamp mentioned on your screen now.
Now the very first question that may come to your mind is, why should I read a book to learn German? I have so many options for learning German language, from chatting with native speakers through Skype to flipping through flashcards using Enki app on my smartphone. The chances to learn are endless, but only few of them offer the advantages that good old-fashioned reading provides.
But let us tell you 3 reasons why reading German books help. Number 1, books simulate classroom learning. Number 2, not to mention many of these books come packed with learning materials, worksheets, grammar guides and flashcards and CDs to improve your listening and pronunciation skills. Along with that, the authors are experienced instructors and German speakers, giving you connections with people who live and breathe German every day. Third, which is also my personal favorite, and that's books are mobile. It's not always reasonable or safe to drag a laptop with you while traveling. So tossing a book in your backpack provides a fun learning that you can pull out on a plane, while at a restaurant or even while chatting with friends.
After knowing why we should read books to learn German language, let's see how you should choose a right German learning book for you. We all know that the world is filled with books, and German learning books are no different. How do you choose from this vast selection of German books? Well, it's a 3-step approach. Step number 1 is your level. Start with an inner evaluation of your German language knowledge. Are you a beginner, that is A1 to A2, intermediate B1 to B2, or advanced C1 to C2 learner? Some German books cater to all of these groups, but you can cut down the selection for many.
Step 2 is age. Some German books are only designed for children with cartoon images and simpler learning procedures. On the other hand, a teenage girl might not learn the exact same way as a 60-year-old man.
Step number 3, goals. You should also compile a list of goals you want to achieve by learning German with a book. Are you learning for fluency? Do you just need to get by for your 1-week trip to Munich? Write down these goals to connect them with the proper books. That said, let's dive into the list of German books which may help you to improve your German language skills.
So let's start first with the dictionaries, which is also called a Taschenwörter book. So this you can carry along anywhere you want, may it be a tourist or if you are just at the beginner's level German, dictionary will always help you to increase your vocabulary. There's one more dictionary that I like to tell you that is very popular and widely used by all the people who learn German. It's Langenscheid's Pocket Dictionary. So this is also very helpful if you're learning at the beginner's level German. After that, we have a Bilderwörter book. So previously you saw the normal dictionary which will just have the words in English or German, but this is a Bilderwörter book where you will have also the pictures with the vocabulary. Then if somebody is preparing for the interview in a German company or any German presentation or anything, then you will need a business English. For that also we have a book called as Business English für Dummies. Internationale Korrespondenztreffische formulieren, bei Smalltalk-Punkten und Besprechungen, Präsentationen und Verhandlungen gekonnt führen. So this is a business English. It's very important when you have a presentation or interview in German. After that, we have Deutsch als Fremdsprache, das große Übungsbuch für Grammatik und Wortschatz. Here you will always see the Niveau, that is your level. This is especially for the A1 to B2 levels. Accordingly, you will have different kinds of exercises to improve your grammar, vocabulary and all other parts. Then we will have the advanced version of that. It's A1 to C1. So this is actually all the 6 levels of German that you will learn. And you will have the exercises for different kind of grammar things or any other exercises that are related to German language. Next we have is from Huber, which is a very popular brand. So here on the left hand side you'll always see the brand, and usually you'll see at the down the level which you will be learning. So here you'll see the Übungsgrammatik A1 to B1. So this means the grammar for the grammar exercises for the A1 to B1 level. This is also very helpful to improve your grammar, especially when you're in the first initial 2-3 levels where the grammar is the base of the language. Then we have again for the grammar Grammatik Cuban in Bilder. So this where it makes it really fancy when you learn the grammar with the images. There you will have the different kind of pictures, and then you will have the sentences, fill in the blanks, and that will help you to improve your grammar as well. Next we have is Deutsch alles drin, again from Langenscheidt. It's a popular brand and a very reliable one. Here you can see it's everything for just 10 euros, and it's very cheap, very reliable and a very popular brand for the Wortschatz and Grammatik, that is your vocabulary and the grammar. Here you can see the book. Then we have the Aufbaukurs Deutsch für Dummies. Again, one more book with different kinds of exercises, especially for the grammar. So we are focusing more on the grammar and the vocabulary in this video, because this video is for the people who have just started learning German or the beginners level German, where grammar is the most important part of the language, especially in German. Then we have is mentioned Deutsch als Fremdsprache Kursbuch. So you will have a course book, which is a course book in English, and then you'll have an Arbeitsbuch, which will be the where you whatever you have learned, you will have the exercises for that, and then you solve the exercises into that book. So this is the course book again from a Huber brand, and it is also usually recommended by the teachers. So this is also a very reliable source if you are going to give the exams for the initial levels of German. Then, as I said, that was a course book, and this is the Arbeitsbuch. So whatever you learn into that book, you will have the exercises regarding to the same topics into this book, and this is again recommended by the teachers if you are giving your initial levels of exam. Then last but not the least, we have Berliner Platz 3 Neu Deutsch im Alltag. So you will always learn a theoretical German when you start learning in the institute and your online classes and everything, but when you come to Germany, you'll realize that you miss that local slangs or whatever language you need in the daily life. So that is very important. So you'll have some books like this which will focus on the Alltagssprache, so on your daily language, some local slangs or some words which you will not learn into your online classes and institutes. So this kind of German is also really important if you're planning to visit Germany or you're planning to talk to German in your daily life. So that's all for today. These were some different kind of books. If you want, we can write their names in the description box as well, so you can go and check this out and do try this kind of books in your initial German level classes and exams. Thank you very much.